just want to take a few moments to walk through the Canvas shell. This is the home page for your Math 1350 course. Over on the right hand side, you'll see the to-do list, and you'll notice that the assignments come up very quickly. Now, you do have a little bit of extra time on those assignments as you look through those. Even though that this says January 13th, you have a couple of extra days after that to complete the assignment. Just don't wait too long. These do have to be completed before the exam and everything. If I'll post an announcement regarding when these actually last date they need to be completed. Don't procrastinate though, please. Okay. As I scroll down here, you'll see my office hours. Most of my office hours are going to be virtual this semester due to COVID protocols. And so if you do want to make an in-person meeting with me, please set up an appointment with me. I'll be more than happy to meet with you in person. Just we need to make sure that we're following those COVID protocols. And everything on campus is pretty much appointment based right now. So just let me know and we'll get an appointment done. Okay. You are required a webcam and microphone. Now, if you don't have a webcam on your computer, you can use a tablet or cell phone. Just contact me and we'll work through that before your first exam. Now I'm going to scroll up here. I'm going to go over to modules so that we can walk through the Start Here module and everything. You'll see COVID-19 information. This is the information from the college. You'll see the welcome video course tour, which is what we're looking at now. I'm just going to click on the next button so that I can make sure that I don't miss anything. You'll see the calendar broken out into week. Now you'll notice that the exam is available from January 22nd to January 27th. You'll be setting up appointments to take this exam. And so these will be proctored, but they will be online. You'll just have to set up those exam times. And so you see when those windows are. So I would go ahead and start planning to have availability during those windows. I'm going to scroll down and click on the next. Here's the required material. This is the front of your textbook. The textbook itself is not as important. If you like the physical copy of the textbook, that's great. The access code is what's the most important thing. You must have an access code for Pearson My Math Lab. That's where you're going to do your homework, your quizzes, and your exams. You'll need a scientific calculator. You cannot use a cell phone, a tablet, a graphing calculator, any of those things as a calculator on your exams. So go out and get a cheap calculator if you don't already have one. This one is the one that we tend to recommend. $12, $13 at Walmart, Target, things like that. Bookstore has them. I can't remember how much the bookstore has them for. But this is the one that we tend to recommend. I'll click on next for the required technologies and material. This is an online class, so you do need access to a computer. You do need to have your Grayson email. You do need to have internet access. The higher the speed, the better, because you're going to be watching videos, things of that nature. You do need to know how to upload a file, work with PowerPoint, work with Word. If you don't know how to work with PowerPoint or something, that's okay. We can work with that. But uploading a basic document, that type of thing, you do need to have some time management. I would actually recommend that you log in every day so that you can see any announcements that I post. But you do need to be working on your material at least 3 to 4 times a week. This is an 8-week class, so it goes by quickly. And if you get behind, it's going to be difficult. So make sure that you're working on those assignments. These are the course outcomes. These are the things that you will be learning throughout the semester. Obviously, we'll learn more, but these are the minimum things that you will be learning and that will be assessed on the final exam. This is just a little bit more information about myself. I do respond to all messages within 48 hours, usually 24 to 48 hours. If I haven't responded within 48 hours, please contact me again. You'll contact me, most likely the best way is contacting me through Canvas. That way I know what class you're in and actually know your name. Do not contact me using a personal email account. Don't contact me using a Gmail, a Yahoo, any other type of account. Only use your Grayson email or Canvas. I can't respond to the other email accounts. And this is just a little bit of information about myself. This is a discussion board that I want you to fill out. That way you get to know your classmates a little bit better. It's a little bit of information, plus I get to know you. If you want to, do a little bit of a video about yourself. I'd love to see your faces. I never get to meet you guys face to face. If you have issues with Canvas, this is a great page. And here's some information about our course. Now I'm going to go back to modules so that we can look at just some of the other things. Now, here's 2 assignments that you'll be doing, a syllabus acknowledgement assignment and a testing procedures assignment. These assignments must be completed. The syllabus acknowledgement assignment is saying that you've looked over the syllabus, read it, you've asked me questions if you have any, and you agree to it. The testing procedures is you've watched the videos, you understand how the tests are going to be run, you've asked me any questions, and you agree to it. Then here will be a safety video assignment. We all must show the safety video. And basically it's an assignment saying you have watched that safety video. Here's the important thing, is on this page you will find the course code for MyMathLab. Now you'll notice it's still grayed out at the moment. You have to complete these 3 assignments before you can get that registration code. Please don't email me asking me for that registration code until you complete these 3 assignments. You need to agree to these 3 things before you can get to this registration. Okay? Once you complete all of that, then the material will open up. Here's where you will find lecture notes, lecture videos for you. When you are able to, you can click on homework number 1. There will be lecture notes, lecture videos over that section. Don't just go into the homework and try to figure it out. Please come over here and watch the lecture notes and lecture videos. Now, as you go through, if you have questions, please contact me. I will be more than happy to help. I look forward to a great semester.